Hello and welcome to lesson 38 in the creation of our school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word with the Jofos IT Service Academy on YouTube. Please, in our previous lesson, that was lesson 37, we started referring data from the teacher's detail sheet to the teacher's Emis data table. So we were able to refer data of 6 good teachers from the teacher's detail sheet here to this particular teacher's Emis data table. So in this lesson, we are going to continue referring details from the teacher's detail sheet to the teacher's Emis data table. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell icon for all. The reason why you need to turn on the notification bell icon for all is to alert you whenever we upload a new video. The notification bell icon will give you notifications. You receive the notifications of the new videos that we upload, so that you'll be able to learn from those videos. You'll be able to watch those videos and learn from them. So please make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Don't forget to share with your friends. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section of this video. Please, we are not charging you for this video, so the only thing that you can do to support this channel, to help this channel grow, is to make sure that you subscribe, you like this video, you drop your comment in the comment section, then you share this video with your friends to also benefit from. So without wasting much time, let's just get started and let's continue with what we were doing in the previous lesson. That was lesson 37. So let's go to the other side of this particular table. Then as usual, we come to this side here, then we insert our equal to sign, then we move back to the teacher's detail sheet. We are going to refer data of the 7th teacher. So you click on 7 like this, then you hit enter. So when we hit enter, we should be able to see 7 appearing at the top here. So you left click and hold, then you drag to the last end. Please make sure that it doesn't cross the signature section here. So we should be able to have the details or the data of the 7th teacher in this system. Good. So we have it here. Now let's go to the other side of this particular table. Then we insert our equal to sign again like this. Then we open the teacher's detail sheet. We are going to refer the data, or we are going to transfer the data of the 8th teacher to the teacher's Emis data table here. So when you select the 8 there, the number 8, then you click on enter on your computer keyboard. Then you bring your mouse pointer here like this. Make sure that it appears like a cross. Then you left click like this and hold, then you drag it. Let's drag it until we see another signature section. So we leave it here like this. So when you release your hand, you should be able to see these zeros appearing here. Now let's go to the next one. So we insert our equal to sign again. Then we go to the teacher's detail sheet. We are going to refer the data of the 9th teacher. So click on 9 and hit enter. Then automatically it will open the teacher's Emis data table for you. So you bring your mouse pointer down here, let it appear like a cross, then you left click and hold, then you drag it to wherever you see signature. Good. So we leave it here. So when we move to the other side, we should be able to see number 9. We should be able to see all the details of the 9th teacher appearing here. So you can see them: name, registered number, staff ID, rank, qualifications, NEET ID, contact, date of first appointment. All right, so we are going to refer the data of another teacher again. So you insert your equal to sign again like that. Then we locate the teacher's detail sheet here. Then we click on number 10. We are referring the data of the 10th teacher like this. Then you position your mouse pointer at the down right corner. You position it at the down right corner here like this. Make sure that it appears like a cross or like a plus sign. Then you left click and hold. Then you drag it to the last end where you see date of first appointment. date of first appointment like this. So we should be able to get all those details appearing in our system for the 10th teacher without any stress and without any problem. Please make sure that you follow the lesson. Make sure that you watch it from the beginning to the end. Make sure that you don't skip any part of this video, because if you do so, you are going to miss something valuable. You are going to miss something very important. All right, so we insert our equal to sign again, and we open the teacher's detail sheet. Then we go for the 11th teacher. Then you hit enter like this. So we should be able to see 11 appearing here. Then let's position the mouse pointer at the down right corner. Let's position the mouse pointer at the down right corner like this. Then we drag it, left click and hold, then you drag it to where you see the next date of first appointment. Please don't let it cross the signature section there. So we have this here for the 11th teacher without any stress and without any problem. Because we don't want this video to be long, we don't want the tutorial to be lengthy, we would like to end it here and continue in lesson 39. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, and I hope by now you have already subscribed to the channel. Make sure that you share this video with your friends and family members to also benefit from us on this channel, because we are going to upload more important and more educative videos onto this channel. So till our next lesson, I say thank you very much for watching. Let's meet in lesson 39. Bye bye.